You call a care package in, then it turned into a teddy bear, dummy. You know what I'm talking about?
How can a care package turn to a teddy bear?
Right.
I said it's a teddy bear suit.
No.
That money cash guy keeps sending me messages. I don't want to be your friend. You're an ugly dummy. All right? If that money cash guy send me one more friend request, I'm going to get pissed off and kill everybody in the room. I'm going to call a tactical nuke in. You know what? I should put on care package. Should I put on care package?
No.
Oh, you guys want me to take it easy on you, huh? Fuck you, bitch. Fuck you, too. Fuck you, too, motherfucker. Somebody's throwing stun grenades and stuff in here.
Yo.
Oh, man. Oh, what are you guys doing? Just hiding in corners. Asshole. Asshole. You're too cheap to buy a mic, so you gotta type. This guy gotta type. He's typing his damn conversation to me. What's so damn funny? I am Dave Chappelle. Shut your damn mouth.
Oh, you talk too much.
You talk too much. What the fuck, man? Little devil? Where did you come from? I just killed another guy. I gotta shot that freak. Suck my nut. You suck my nuts. This guy just sent a message saying suck my nuts. I'm a damn man. Did you not realize that? God said suck my nuts to a damn. I'm a what?
You a tranny.
You a damn tranny. I ain't no chick with a dick. Why would you call me a tranny? That shit ain't funny.
Hey, you're fucking tranny.
Oh my goodness, these motherfuckers calling cat legs a tranny. I'm about to call my wife in here and she's gonna make you feel like a dumbass.
Wait, did you have a wife or a husband?
My name is Cat Legs. What's wrong with that name?
Yo, Cat Legs.
What?
Did you have a, wait, you said you're gonna call your wife. I want to know if you have a wife or a husband. Because I'm thinking
Oh my goodness, that was a stupid
I'm thinking
joke.
it's a husband right now.
Okay, you're making everyone...
I don't think it's a
You're
joke.
trying to make everyone laugh, but you're not succeeding right now.
I'm not making anybody laugh.
You're trying. I know you're not
just want
making
to know.
everybody laugh. I said you're trying to make people laugh.
No, I'm not. I just wanted to know if you have a husband. Because that's a miracle.
Ooh, okay, that's a miracle.
Yeah, he just tried you.
It is, though. Yeah, it is.
That's a miracle.
You're
It is.
making... These guys are making me pissed off. Pissed the fuck off.
It's old. You're making me pissed off. Why you
I'm
making
playing
me
balls
pissed
to the
off?
wall right now.
Stop
Balls
making
to
me
the
pissed
damn
off.
walls.
Hey, can't let go.
Oh my
Go
goodness. And
straight for your husband.
this one guy that can't afford a damn microphone is typing letters to me. Motherfuckers writing love letters.
Talking about
These guys are ugly as shit. You ugly motherfucker.
Hey, this man Cat from somebody did some
Hey, why you judging boys? Why you judging boys?
Yeah, with a big girl.
Boys, I don't even like you guys.
I don't even like you guys.
This man Cat from somebody get him some meow.
Meow, 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 meow.
Oh my goodness. Look at these motherfuckers. I'm making you guys pay the piper.
I ain't saying nothing to you that's wrong.
Who's making the cat sound?
I ain't doing that, fool.
I'm gonna make you guys pay the damn piper. I am pissed off right damn now, and I don't have a husband. Why you motherfuckers writing letters? I am so damn mad right now, you stupid dummies.
Meow, 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 meow.
Guys making the meow mix sounds.
What?
My name is Cat Leg. Come on,
My
now,
name
why
is
your
Cat Legs. You
You know
got a
why his
problem
name is
with it?
cat legs? He does have cat legs.
Oh my goodness, what's wrong with that
His
name?
leg is mad furry.
Oh
What's
my
wrong, Cat
goodness.
Leg? Nothing
What's wrong with
Cat
that
Leg.
name? What's wrong with the
Nothing.
name Cat Legs?
Ain't nothing wrong with it.
Because you got legs that have mad hair. So,
Who just killed me?
Hey, let me put cat
I'm
legs.
just. Why the hell did you kill me? I was on my laptop. Somebody killed me.
I know, right? I killed you, man. I know.
And that made me pissed off.
I know, right?
It's
That
so-
made you oh,
You dummy, I shot him with 2 guns.
two guns.
So,
Kimbo.
Allentown 23rd Street. What the hell kind of name is Allentown 23rd Street?
pissed off. I'm pissed
Big
off.
ugly motherfucker.
Yo, shut the fuck up, man. Shut the fuck up, bitch.
Look at that clan tag, T-God.
Yo,
What the
shut
hell?
the-
Who the hell? What the hell is a T-God?
She's
Dumbass. 2 guys, T-God. My name is way better, and I play better than you stupid dummies.
You're not even
You
a
can't play better
prestige
than
yet,
me.
so you could shut up.
But I am prestige.
Nuh-uh, cat legs, you're not in prestige.
I got
I'm in
another
prestige.
name. My other name is Peedle Bumper.
No, no, no.
Wait,
What's your name? What's your other name?
Peedle Bumper.
fuck up, shut the fuck up, shut the fuck up, shut the fuck up,
My
shut the fuck
other
up.
name is Peedle Bumper.
Peter.
Peter Bubble. What the
Peedle Bumper. The hell is... Man, I'm out of this room. You guys are acting like assholes. Hell you laughing at? I'm out of here, man.
I'm out of here, man.
Cat legs strike again. Yeehaw!